Hello everyone, my name is Anand and I'm your HR manager. I welcome you all to this great organization. Before we start with any of the discussions, I would like to state a small story to all of you. The story goes something like this. Now, before the story, let me make a statement and let's see your reactions. If I made a statement to all of you saying that the evolution of man and the thumb has an innate relationship, all of you would think this guy is mad. How would the thumb really deal with evolution of humans? Ladies and gentlemen, that is exactly what I've come here to tell you today. And I want you to take this very important lesson throughout your life, not just for the state, not just for the time that you stay in our company, but probably the rest of our lives. If you look at the history of the mankind, we were all primates at one point in time. That means we were all monkeys and we were climbing the trees. And we chose trees because tree was a safe place for monkeys. But the biggest challenge these monkeys had was that their index finger and their thumb were in parallel to each other. Which means, just imagine, if you tie your thumb to your index finger and then try to lift something, it's quite impossible to do that. 8 out of 10 times you would drop it. So what happened? What did the primates do? They decided to do something very unconventional. They challenged the status quo and the thumb started to drop. It opposed the actual place. Right? This is called the opposable thumb. Not only it dropped, it started to move in a direction perpendicular to the other 4 fingers. While other 4 fingers move like this, the thumb moves like this. Now this gave the primates a unique opportunity to hold things. And they started to kill their enemies. They killed their prey by holding weapons in their hand. Now you see, if you want to hold the weapon and throw the weapon onto a prey, you need to get the backward thrust. To get the backward thrust, the monkeys had to get up. And that was the first sign of human evolution. So the monkeys started to raise their back and eventually we started to stand on 2 legs. It's not that. We also had to tell animals, we had to tell their other group members that they've done something great. They started to communicate. Now you see, an opposable thumb, a thumb which opposed its basic behavior, created an evolution of mankind. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what you have to do in this company. You have to oppose the status quo. You have to challenge the norm. It is only then we can innovate. So I welcome you all with this idea that all of us have come here to challenge the status quo, innovate, and make a world a safe place to live. Thank you.